Welcome to our roundup of the best mesh Wi-Fi systems available right now. Whether you're struggling with dead zones, weak signals, or inconsistent internet performance, these powerful mesh routers are designed to keep every corner of your home covered with fast and stable connectivity. We've picked top-rated models that deliver exceptional speed, coverage, and smart management features. Perfect for streaming, gaming, and multitasking on multiple devices. Stay tuned as we break down the key specs, performance highlights, and usability of each router to help you choose the perfect one for your home network. Let's get started. The first on the list is the Tenda MW6. The Tenda MW6 Mesh Wi-Fi system is designed to eliminate weak spots and deliver consistent coverage across your entire home. Powered by true mesh technology, it provides seamless connectivity for up to 6,000 square feet, ensuring smooth streaming, gaming, and video calls in every room. With its dual-band AC 1200 performance, the MW6 supports speeds of up to 1,200 megabits per second, allowing multiple devices to stay connected without lag or buffering. Each node automatically detects the best path for your data, intelligently balancing network traffic for uninterrupted performance. Setting up the MW6 is refreshingly simple through the Tenda Wi-Fi app, which walks you through installation in just minutes. The app also lets you manage parental controls, guest networks, and device prioritization effortlessly. Its smart autopath selection ensures your devices always connect to the strongest signal, even when moving around the house. Overall, the Tenda MW6 is a reliable and affordable solution for families or small offices seeking stable, high-speed Wi-Fi coverage throughout large spaces. Next up is the Xiaomi B7000. The Xiaomi B7000 mesh router is built for users who want cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 performance at home. Equipped with 6 high-gain antennas and a powerful Qualcomm processor, it delivers ultra-fast connectivity up to 6,900 megabits per second across multiple bands. This ensures smoother 4K streaming, faster file transfers, and lower latency for gaming and smart home devices. The B7000 also supports multi-link operation, which combines multiple frequency bands for increased stability and reduced interference. Thanks to its dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, it easily connects to high-speed modems or wired devices like gaming consoles and smart TVs for maximum throughput. The setup process is intuitive, with Xiaomi's Mi Home app allowing quick configuration and control right from your smartphone. Overall, the Xiaomi B7000 combines blazing speed, intelligent connectivity, and top-tier security. A future-ready mesh router perfect for large households and tech enthusiasts. Next, we have the Tenda AX3000. The Tenda AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh router is all about next-generation performance and energy efficiency. Powered by Wi-Fi 6 technology, it delivers combined speeds of up to 3,000 megabits per second, providing faster data transfers and reduced latency even when multiple devices are connected simultaneously. With its dual-band connectivity and MU-MIMO technology, it handles smart TVs, gaming consoles, laptops, and IoT devices effortlessly. What makes the AX3000 stand out is its BSS color technology, which minimizes signal interference from nearby networks, ensuring stable and consistent Wi-Fi across every corner of your home. Each node covers up to 3,500 square feet, and you can easily add more for expanded coverage. Overall, the Tenda AX3000 delivers powerful, efficient, and future-proof performance, ideal for homes filled with smart devices or heavy streaming needs. Coming up next, we have the Xiaomi B3600. The Xiaomi B3600 mesh router offers a strong balance of speed, stability, and ease of use. Built with Wi-Fi 7 architecture, it supports speeds up to 3,600 megabits per second, giving users faster connectivity for 8K streaming, online gaming, and large file transfers. Its intelligent mesh networking allows multiple units to work together seamlessly, covering large homes with consistent, lag-free internet. With its Qualcomm dual-core processor, the B3600 ensures efficient data processing and stable connections for up to 200 devices, perfect for modern smart homes. The Mi Home app provides effortless control over settings, including network monitoring, parental controls, and guest access. Overall, the Xiaomi B3600 is a solid mid-range mesh system offering high-speed performance, strong stability, and simple management. A great choice for families and apartment dwellers. The last one on our list is the Tenda AX1500 5G. The Tenda AX1500 5G mesh router is a game-changer for users needing reliable internet even where fiber or cable access is limited. Featuring 5G SIM card compatibility, it provides blazing fast internet via mobile networks, making it perfect for remote areas or on-the-go setups. With dual-band Wi-Fi 6 technology, it reaches speeds of up to 1,500 megabits per second while ensuring lower latency and improved network efficiency. The multi-mode operation allows it to function as a standard router, mesh node, or 5G gateway, offering flexibility for any network environment. Its built-in high-gain antennas deliver excellent signal strength and wide coverage, while advanced beamforming ensures stable connections to all devices. Overall, the Tenda EX 1500 5G is a powerful, flexible solution for users seeking dependable, high-speed internet powered by next-gen wireless technology, whether at home, in the office, or on the road. So, that wraps up our picks for the best mesh Wi-Fi systems. If this video helped you find the right mesh system, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more gear roundups, and check the description below for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.